Let's go through the final exam review for Math 130. In question number 1, they want us to find a few of the limits graphically. In part A, it's find the limit as x approaches 3 from the left. If we look at approaching 3 coming in from the left-hand side, this would be from this direction here. We see that the curve at that point, this point, is kind of going down, but then the closer and closer you get to 3, it starts to increase towards the y value of 2. So this limit should be equal to 2. In part B, we want to look at the limit as x approaches negative 2 from the right. So we're coming in towards negative 2 from the right-hand side. We see that the curve is steadily kind of dropping down and down and down, and it's approaching the y value 1. So we would say that the limit as x approaches negative 2 from the right is going to be equal to positive 1. Notice, and this is something we talked about earlier in the class, is that whether or not the point is filled in or open there, that does not affect the value of the limit. As you approach negative 2 from the right, the function values in that direction are approaching the y value positive 1. And then lastly, we have the limit as x approaches 1 from no direction. So here, when there's not a plus or minus sign, when we just have the limit in general, it's understood that this means the left-hand limit and right-hand limit should both exist and equal the same common number. If we look at approaching 1 first from the left-hand side, so if I'm approaching 1 from the left-hand side, we see that the function is here and it's going up and up and up, and it's approaching the y value of 2. Similarly, if we approach 1 coming in from the right-hand side, the curve is right here. It's also approaching that common y value of 2. So the limit from the left and from the right both exist and are equal to 2. Therefore, the limit in general as x approaches 1 of f of x is going to be equal to 2.